Welcome my friends to another video and trade here, and you do not know what you're missing out on. Today I want to show you a brand new trading robot me and my team have designed. It is OTC Ultra Pay. This robot will automatically do everything for you on OTC market. It will pick the best asset for you to trade on. It will automatically give you the asset that you need. It will only pick the assets with above 80% payouts. So this is what the future of trading is, completely automated and completely tailored to your liking. And that's what I want to show you, how easy it is to go into the market with no knowledge at all. So let's check it out. But also I want to mention something. Pocket Option is currently running an absolutely insane campaign, and you can win a trip to one of three places. You can either go to Singapore, to New York, or to Mexico, and you will also get up to 100% bonus. The rules are super simple. You use a promo code, the one that you like, and the more you pay, the more you will get in bonuses. For example, I can drop 5,000 right now on my account and I will get 10,000 in total. So that means another 100 on top of what I have already deposited. So this is an amazing thing. This campaign will run only until 28th of August. So now is your time. Make sure to go ahead and grab it while it's hot. But you can also trade on OTC market, and that's why we're here today. So let's go ahead and see what this robot is capable of doing. So boom, here is our broker. Here's the robot on the right side, and the robot is currently searching for a currency pair with the highest payout percentage. This robot will only perform 1-minute trades on OTC markets, so lock in. This is going to be a great time to make money. So what we do is we just simply wait. We set up our time frame to 15 seconds just because the robot does the analysis on 15-second time frame, and we're going to trade on 1-minute expiration time. So set it to 1 minute and the amount that you want to trade with, 3 to 5% of your balance, not more than that, because this robot also uses martingale trade, which means if the initial trade doesn't go through, it will give you another signal. You're just placing double the amount in the same direction. So that is pretty much it. The robot will do everything for you, give you a full breakdown. As you can see on the right, it will give you the analysis, it will give you the indicators that it's using for the analysis and the readings of said indicators. This is a complete game changer, and this robot works 24/7. So let's go ahead. USD COP, 92% payout, beautiful. And now we're just waiting for the analysis from the robot and the position. 1 minute buy position, and we place 500 on this trade. Just as simple as that. We don't do anything else. We're good. And now the price has dropped. I want to drop a little bit more on top here to make sure. But as you can see, the volatility is a bit high here, but that's because we're on 15 seconds time frame. So obviously the candles are going to be moving a little bit faster. But you can see RSI is breaking above the 50 level. So let's add RSI to our chart. You can see that RSI is indeed above 50, and this is a continuation of the bullish trend. MACD histogram is sharply positive, indicated that upward momentum is gaining strength. Let's go ahead and add MACD to our chart with default settings, and you can see MACD is heading in the upwards direction, even though it's crossing in a downwards direction now, which is a sign of a reversal. However, our analysis was done a minute ago, so this is what is correct actually. So this period right here is what we're interested in, and at this time it was still heading in the upwards direction, and just like that we're about to hit a pretty solid win, and right there we get 460 off of this trade, and we have 2 more trades coming in, and this is over $1.2 thousand of profit in 1 minute with this signal. Beautiful execution, and that is pretty much it. This is how the robot works. Super simple, super accessible. I didn't have to do any analysis. The robot did everything for me, and as I said, it works 24/7. So whenever you want to trade, you can do it. The signals are going to be coming in continuously. The robot will always be looking for the best assets that are available, and you're always guaranteed a high payout. A lot of the times when traders enter their trade, the payout goes low, and you're now trading on 40% payout instead of 87%, if you didn't pay enough attention. And sometimes it happens. It happened to me as well, and it can be really frustrating because because you're putting your money and then you realize that you're only going to be getting a small payout in return, and you still have all the risk that you took of taking that trade. So this eliminates completely a low payout and will also make sure that your martingale trade always returns your loss in case that happens. But now let's not waste any time. Let's wait for the robot to perform next analysis, and let's see if we can continue generating profit. I don't want to make this trading session super long. Usually as a rule of thumb, you want to make 2 to 3 trades, and if you get 2 losses in a row, just step back, wait for a little bit, recoup, reset, and then come back into the market. Don't overtrade, don't revenge trade, and that goes for trading with the robot as well. The market is the market. It's sometimes going to be unpredictable even for the robot, but as of now, this robot is sitting at 79% win rate, and majority of traders will never hit those numbers, so this is already saying a lot about the quality of this robot. But as I said, let's not waste any time. Let's wait for the next signal. It usually takes between 2 to 3 minutes. So let's wait it out and see what we're working with for the next trade. And here's our next asset. So let's add it. NGN United States dollar. Once again, 92%. So you can see that it's actually only picking the assets that are above 80. And so far we're looking great. And this is a sell position trade. So we're going to place 500 and we are off. And look at that. Immediately the candle starts to go down. The analysis is here. RSI, MACD, everything is in place, and I don't have to do anything. And isn't this just beautiful? You're just relaxing. You can read out the analysis. You can start understanding what different indicators do, how to read them. This will already start giving you the basic knowledge that every single trader needs to know. You need to understand which indicators are working with which. Already you know that RSI and MACD will match together well, and I actually showed a trading session recently with both of these indicators in place. So this is a great way to start understanding the market, and this is a great starting point to start generating profit, because you want to have something solid. Because if you go into the market without anything solid, without any good background in terms of having money, you will probably lose a lot of money by just trying to trade by yourself, and this eliminates that. This will help you get to a solid plateau where you can actually be like, okay, I made some money and now I understand a little bit, and you will have more confidence to go into the market and to explore, because you do want to trade by yourself a little bit. But also at the start, it can be a little bit hard to do it by yourself. So this is why you want to use these tools that are built on AI, that are using the most cutting edge technology. So you are first generating profit and learning how to trade, and only then you can go and learn on your own mistakes. And learning from your own mistakes is a great way to learn. However, you can minimize that by also becoming a member of my trading team. We do daily trading session, daily trade breakdowns, and that will also help you eliminate the problem of losing your money trying to figure out things on your own. We're going to help you understand which indicators work together. We're going to give you the strategies that are tailored to your taste. We have private trading session every single day from Monday to Sunday. On weekends we're trading on OTC market. We also do individual trading sessions, so if you want to trade with me one-on-one, you can do that as well. I'm going to give you a breakdown, a signal that I have found for you, analyzed for you, and that is why this trading group is going to be very helpful for any trader that is looking to start making money. Because I said this in a few videos, AI is here, AI is developing extremely fast, and if you are still working a 9 to 5, the chances are that majority of the jobs that exist right now in the market are going to start disappearing. They already are. So in a couple of years, AI will reach the level of strength that is unmatched by most people, and that will cause a crash in the economy, in job market, and you don't want to be on the receiving end of that. That's why you absolutely have to take the charge of your finances, of your financial situation. So make sure to hop in right now, send me a message on Telegram and start learning how to trade and how to be financially independent. This will change the way you see life. This will change your life, and this will secure your future. That is very important. I cannot stress it enough. I always tell my followers, my traders, that AI is coming, and as much as there is a lot of good coming with AI, there's also going to be a lot of bad that is coming with AI. So try to educate yourself, try to learn every day, try to understand what you can do with trading, and try to to figure out how to turn it into money, and we of course are going to help you. Let's do one more trade. Let's wait for our next signal. Let's see if we can finish this trading session with a nice profit of over $2,000. Let's go. All right, so here we are. The Ultra Pay robot is already scanning the market for the next asset. Once again, only 80% plus, so we're just waiting. Right now, that's all you need to do. Make sure, as I said, everything is in place, your expiration time, your trading amount that is suitable to your balance, and that is it. Make sure that you're ready to enter, because there is 10 to 15 seconds between the asset you receive and the signal, and you want to be as fast as possible when the signal comes in so you don't miss, because it's 1 minute, it's very short term, and you want to be fast. United States dollar, there it is, we have it. We're all ready, all set, and now we're just waiting for the signal, which should be coming any second now. And there it is, we're taking a sell position as suggested by the robot, and I'm gonna place a little bit more here, 1,000 on this trade, because I'm also feeling very secure about this trading session, and so far we're looking fantastic. We spent literally less than how much? We spent less than 5 minutes in the market and already made $1,600 just trading with this simple tool. And there it is. And if this trade doesn't even go through, we can still place a martingale trade. It will be suggested by the robot at the end of this trade. So we are going to place 2,000, because with martingale trade you double up your initial trade and then you go in. And I think this is going to be the case, because this looks like a pretty strong bullish impulse here into the level that we see here. So the reversal is definitely gonna come, and we're gonna try to capture it now with $2,000. Oh, this is going down rapidly, and I would like this candle to be even stronger, but it seems like we're taking a loss here. So what we're gonna do is place $2,000 here as suggested by the robot. It says the signal didn't hit profit. Let's open another trade in the same direction, but this time double the amount. And as we entered, you can see the price starts to drop down because there is a level. The robot is well aware of that. This is in the first place why we received this signal. The analysis is done for you. Everything is done for you. And all you need is take a little bit of time, read what the robot is telling you, and just follow what the robot is telling you. That is very simple. And I don't think this trading session can get any more simpler than it already is. So let's wait it out. We have 20 seconds to go, and we're about to return the initial loss that we had and also make good money on top of that. This is the difference maker for the beginner traders. And even if you are already efficient and proficient in trading, you can still use this tool on days when you're maybe not feeling like trading. And there it is, we're securing the final 4 trades that we put. We get all the money back, and look at that, we're at 16,000 starting at 13, I think. So this is pretty solid. We made over $3,000 with the losses that we took, but it doesn't matter in the end, because the profit has been made. We secured it, and there we have it, guys. And I want to say that everybody is able to trade with this robot. There's no restriction. You don't need any specific knowledge. So if you want to trade with it right now, send me a message on Telegram at Android_pro and get yourself this amazing tool. I know, of course, I am biased. I will be biased because this is my tool. We worked for it, but I use this tool just as much as some people who trade with it regularly. And every single tool that we have ever released was tested, and I had to trade with it for an extensive amount of time, because you want to have a good sample size of the trades when you do them before you release it to the public, because you want the tool to be actually good. So this is exactly what we're focusing on having a high quality tool. Of course, the tools that we do will never have 100% success rate because of the nature of the market. It is impossible to have 100% success rate. But if you learn money management, if you understand risk management, and you can learn all of that in my trading group, trading robots become extremely efficient in the things that they do. And this is why we say you have to combine the technology with the knowledge, and then you get the money. And this is exactly what we can teach you. So click the link in the description below, join my trading group, stop procrastinating. Today is the day. Don't wait for tomorrow, don't wait for any sign. This is the sign. Check it out. I appreciate you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. I appreciate you for watching my videos, guys. And of course, don't forget, Pocket Option has an amazing campaign right now. Get up to 100% bonus on your deposit. The more you deposit, the more bonus you will have. So that is actually insane. And you can win one of the trips as well. So don't miss it. I appreciate you, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.